right, guys, we are here at Poppy's. I don't know, what night is it? What is it?
It's Thursday.
It's only Thursday. We're in here having fun, having a few drinks. It's crazy out here. It's a busy Thursday night.
It is busy.
Mercy's here. I had a few rum and cokes. Mercy's laying off the alcohol tonight. Yeah, she's taking it easy. I'm drinking for her.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Here with her hairdresser, Alex, from Touched by a Rose.
Hey, Gina.
Sheena.
Yes.
I said Sheena.
No, Gina.
You guys had what? Chicken parm?
Yeah,
Chicken katsu. You had some food, so you're gonna go party after this or what? Of course. All right, guys.
Well, let me tell you, Alex and I were kind of sad because Sheena is moving to Qatar.
Really? What are you doing there?
I'm working there.
You got a job over there. Good for you.
Yes.
Well, it's a good celebration then.
Yes, sir.
All right. We got some new license plates. They're slowly coming in, guys. Bring some more. We have some more posted up here on the wall. Got a little more artwork over here. See you guys later. We got some, I don't know, just taking up some space right now until we get some more license plates up. We did some little signage over here, some decorations on these sides over here. We got a lot of people coming into Poppy's tonight, enjoying some food and drink on a Thursday night. All night. It's Thursday.
Yes, it's only Thursday.
It's only Thursday, and we're doing well, guys. Come on down to Poppy's. Go to the Drake Hotel. See us at Poppy's our number one spot, and stay in the Drake Hotel because if you buy 4 nights, you get your 5th night free.
Oh, you can beat that. Come
You
on.
can't beat that with a stick. Also, check this out. If you come here at Poppy's Street Eats, take a selfie of you eating here and show your weight, and you gotta post it though, I'm sorry. You gotta post it on a Facebook page of your own or a local Facebook page here in town, and then show it to your waitress at the Poppy's over there in the Drake. You get 25% off your meal. I don't care if it's a ribeye steak, a fajita, a fish and chips, whatever it is, 25% off. Do the same thing over there. Come to Poppy's on Walking Street, show your waitress your post. Within 3 days of the post, you get 25% off here of your meal. So, what a deal. Yeah, we'll get you to eat in 2 restaurants. We'll get you to eat in 2 places. Take advantage of the discount. Yeah, it is busy out here on the street on a Thursday night. I don't know, it's kind of toned down a little bit. It picks up and goes, comes and goes, but there are quite a few people going up and down the street tonight on a Thursday night. It's quite exciting on Walking Street tonight. So, come on down, come and see us over here. Come and meet me and Mercy either over here at Walking Street, over here at the Drake Hotel, Poppy's, the OG location. I know the music's blaring. I'm probably going to get copyright strikes from...
I hope not.
From, who is this?
The music.
Oh, well. You got good music here.
Yes.
I can't turn it down. Anyway, come and see us over here, guys. Waiting to see you at Street Eats and Poppy's in the Drake. Hey guys, we are over here at Poppy's. We got some more subscribers that just popped in. Check this out. Hey guys, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Terry. and
Terry?
My wife is
Hello.
I'm Scott.
Hey guys.
I'm James.
Hey guys, so thank you for coming. Where are you guys from?
Virginia.
All the way from Virginia to eat these burgers. Look at this burger. He's sitting here ready to eat. Just in time, I came out to interrupt their meal. These guys aren't waiting. They're going for it. Yeah. So just trying to figure it out. Yeah, sometimes it's tough to figure out how to eat one of these giant burgers. But anyway, you guys come a long ways. And how long are you staying for?
We have, what, 5 days left?
4, yeah.
We were here for a month, and we were mainly in Manila area.
Ah, okay.
Because, her family's from Antipolo.
Okay. So did you come down this way to see anybody else?
See you, Mercy, and hopefully Chubbs and Ann.
All right, cool. Well, you can see those guys usually down at the other location on Walking Street because Ann's there.
Okay.
And then Chubbs comes to pick her up. So if you hang out there long enough, you'll catch them over there. Yeah. And then if you go down to Tequila Reef in the mornings,
Brian.
usually Brian's there. But I don't know. He came in here the other day. So he might be changing his ways. He might be coming over to Poppy's now. You never know.
Everybody's coming here.
Yeah, we get them all in here eventually. Yeah, well, thank you guys. I'm going to let you eat your meal, and I'll check back with you in a minute when you're done.
She used to work here. We sent her to the small location.
Oh, what's that, Ann? Yeah, she went over to the other. We pretty much trained here, and then when that opened up, we sent a bunch of girls and guys over there. So that's how that worked out.
Yep.
So yeah, it's fun juggling 2 spots now.
Yep. We're busy.
Success. Right?
Yep, success.
Yes.
Thank you guys.
you
Enjoy.
very much.
Enjoy your meal.
It's been a real pleasure. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It's our pleasure. So how was everything, guys? And now that you've all filled your bellies, are you ready for the day? What's in store for the rest of the day? What's you're gonna meet Marcos? Then you're gonna have to go all the way down to Cebu to find him. He went back to the province. You missed him by about a week and a half or 2 weeks now.
I would say I wanted to meet him, but of course I know he's not in the AC anymore.
Yeah, you're gonna have to take a long trip to the province to go find him. He's roughing it. He's back to roughing it. You just got back from Dumaguete?
Yeah.
How'd you like it?
Well, I mean,
It was hot,
a
but
couple of downfalls, you know.
Yeah?
it had its moments.
Had its moments? So what was the good moments and the bad? Tell everybody. Everybody likes to know the experiences of travelers over here in the
Well, I mean,
Philippines.
The good thing is friendly people.
Yeah?
That's good. The bad part is like the hot wilderness, and you're stuck in, you only have one 7-Eleven on. It's like,
And you gotta travel 45 minutes just to get there
but
for there not to be ice.
Yeah?
check the boardwalk. That was awesome.
Yeah.
The time lit up. That was really
So
good.
that was the good, the bad. Now what about the ugly? Good, bad, and the ugly.
Probably the heat.
The heat was the ugly part. It's hotter than here even.
Some areas,
It's pretty damn hot right here.
some areas was a little pricey, but others were.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of expats there that
Yeah.
drives the prices up on some things.
And now the Greenwich pizza, that was
You like Greenwich?
good.
It
All
was
right.
good, but it was, you know, pricey.
It was pricey? Not stateside pricey.
But you get what you pay for. So.
Yeah, yeah. I've had Greenwich before, so what did you think about everything? Just taking it all in?
He's just there.
So is this y'all's first time ever in the Philippines?
Oh, mine. This is my second.
Your second? Your first time. So first time, how old are you now?
21.
21 years old in the Philippines.
Yes, sir.
Your first time here. Bad part is you didn't come by yourself. You got family here watching you.
Yeah.
You can't get in no trouble with family around, or maybe you can, I don't know. Yeah, when I first came here, I was 14 and went to high school here. Yeah. My dad was he worked for the government. He's also in the service in the Korean War, but he worked for the government his whole career. That's what brought me here. So I graduated high school over here, believe it or not. So that was many, many years ago, but I know how it is being a young man over here. Times have changed, but you got to cut loose. You got to get, hey guys, I'll be back in 3 days. I'll see you in about 3 days. That's what I did. I'd just go missing for like 3 days. No cell phones, no way to find me. My old man was pissed, to say the least. My old man was always pissed at me. He didn't no idea where I was. I'd just be out of school, missing school. just running around, to say the least. Anyway, different times, but still good times, right?
Yeah, that's right.
That's for sure.
Yeah, there you go. And so you're getting ready to hang it up here in a few days? You got 5 more days left, you said?
26.
On the 26th?
26.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be heading back to the States
Oh, really?
here pretty soon. We're going to take our trip and go to Mexico and go to visit family in Florida, LA, going all over the place.
Because I knew you from Kentucky.
Yeah, we'll be visiting Kentucky. Be visiting we're going to go to LA first, see my son, then we're going to go down to Louisville from there, and then we're going to drive down to Florida, I think. That's the plan. And then we're going to drive over to Fort Lauderdale and then fly into Mexico. Go to stay in Mexico for a while, and then back to LA before we fly back here. What flights did you take? What airline?
Turkish.
Turkish Air? Okay.
It's a good deal.
Was it?
Yeah.
All right. Just don't what? Just don't do it to Turkey? Just take the airline. Don't go to the country, huh? All right.
I mean, you could go to the airport, chill, but just don't buy anything.
Don't buy anything. And why is that?
Like 3 burgers and 3 French fries and a drink is like $70.
Oh, that's in the airport.
Yeah.
Well, they get you in the airport. They get you good in the airports anyway. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, appreciate you guys coming, seeing us. We'll see you guys on the next video.